Hello. For today, I want to make a tutorial on how to make a sound effect in Amnesia Custom Story. I also want to show you how I kind of processed in my Amnesia Custom Story. Because I'm going to show you a new level that I'm making called Machinery. But this is not going to be the main focus because, I'm just starting with this level. So I don't want to, be focusing on this. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna do a raven sound that is gonna loop, right? So there is like the bird, and I'm gonna have the sound effect here, uh, as a raven or sorry, as a crow. I mean, for it to make a sound effect. So what you want to do is you want to find your sound effect. You can have those free downloads, crow sound effect, whatever. You're gonna copy the link. Now you're gonna go into converter. It's this link right here I'm using. There is many converters, but I'm using YouTube MP3 converter. Just gonna put it here, convert, and download. So I already downloaded. Now what we're gonna do is that you need a certain uh, you need your custom story, right? You're gonna have created folder course called sounds, right? And there is a certain sounds that you can put in. Now, what is very important is that you're gonna put the sound in here, right? So I'm gonna go into downloads and I'm gonna put the ground sound here. And what is very important to understand is that this is MP3, right? And what we need is first of all dot sound, and also we need OGG, right? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to put the MP3. Is it MP3? Let's check. Yeah, MP3. We need to put the MP3 to OGG. So you're gonna type it in the web browser. I hope this is gonna work. You're gonna choose a file. So we're gonna choose this crow sound. We're gonna convert it, and again download it as a OGG file. So now we have it. And now, as you can see, we have the OGG file. So this is what we're gonna put here. We're gonna delete this MP3. We have the OGG here. We're gonna name it somehow. So let's say crow sound. And as you can see, it's OGG. Now we want SNT, right? Because the OGG is for music. Now you can also use this as a OGG, but like if you want to add like a music and you want this as a sound, then obviously this is not the focus point. So you want to copy some certain sound, or you can do it by yourself, but I mean, like, why would you? It's like a complicated for no reason. So go into amnesia.agdes and root folder, found like a sound folder right here, and choose whatever. Let's say this. Just copy this .cnt file, whatever it is. Put it in here and rename it to the same OGG as this, so crowsound.cnt. Now you're gonna open it either as a text document or Notepad++. So let's put it in a Notepad++, which is the way we scripting, but it's gonna be same for text document. And as you can see, this is the main thing, how to make a sound, how to make the sound word. So this is like what you're gonna use simply, right? Uh, Now in here, you have many options. You can have even, I think, more options, I believe. But I don't think they're very important. The most important are right here. So first of all, sound file. This is very important. You want to put the sound file, which is crow sound, right? This is the sound file. Um, and this is the sound file for the OGG. Okay, hope it makes sense. Now the properties. So you have volume. I guess 1 is okay. Maybe we're gonna decrease it. We'll see. Minimum distance, maximum distance. I think it's right now. I'm not sure about like how the distance is going. I guess I'm gonna put like 5 and minimum distance like mm, yeah 1. I guess random interval fade end, fade start, stream, loop. So this is very important to loop. Okay, I mean if you don't want, you don't need, but loop is very good. Use 3D. I don't know. Yeah, why not? Let's put it in 3D. Lockable. I don't know what's that. And priority doesn't matter. You can put 0. It's okay. It's just sound, so it's okay. But yeah, this is it. Simply gonna, save it. And now you're gonna go into your level editor. You're gonna create a sound here. So I already created this one. And you're gonna go into the file and you're gonna find your custom story. Go into sounds, and as you can see, fuck, I cannot speak literally. Crow, crow sound.snt. You see, and because we kind of changed the radius a bit, it's very small actually. Yeah, it's very small. I hope we gonna hear it actually. No, let me make this one a bit larger. I think it was 15, right? I think this should work. Oh, it's still like okay. It should work now. And yeah, so let's go into the game and you're gonna hear it, I hope. We have also dialogue there, so uh, we'll see if we could hear it, but I hope yes. I'm gonna put it a bit louder so you can hear it. So I'll go through that just like to show you some new stuff that I've been kind of working on. Gonna see someone here. He's gonna shut the door completely. I like those pipes, how you need to crouch actually. I'm gonna do it in a lot of kind of ways there. Because it's very cool. Oh, we can hear it, you see? I think it's a bit more, I think I need to put actually 5 there. Like the maximum distance, because you... Actually, no. I think it's okay. Oh, why we have this thing going on? I should have turned it off, no? Okay, let me exit and just quickly adjust this. Because I should have the sanity... Oh yeah, I have the wrong guy here. Okay, I get it. I get it. So I'm gonna put them both actually. So Mr. Man. And also the other guy right here. Okay, I call him wrongly, so my bad. Let's go another time. Just quickly, I'm gonna speed it up. And I'm gonna show you the dialogue here. Hello.
Greetings, mes amis.
What are you repairing? A car wheel? No, the dialogues are fully random, okay? They're like, just out of nowhere, so don't even think about it. Do you want to exit? You know how?
Mind your own business, little boy.
Why so mean? I mean, we're both in the same situation, no? I encounter the worst monster that I could encounter here in a Seaverse. I hope it's locked forever. Now I need to repair elevators so I can get into dungeons. Can you help me with that? What I need to do in order to repair elevator?
In order to repair an elevator, you must put the levers in the correct direction. The node should be somewhere here, or maybe in the rooms that I've been recently. I will give you key. Take it. Now,
Oh, it's timed so well.
here you will find a certain instruction. Birds taking the machinery and running it again. The elevator is broken for a reason. But I mean, if you want to repair it, go on. Your choice.
Very good. Your choice. I love that. Now the key is very funny story because I put like a timer there, and I put like 52 seconds, and it was literally at the perfect timing it dropped. It's crazy. By the way, I don't know why he turned back. I don't know why. For what reason you are turned back, brother? I need to make you static object or something. I don't know. Or maybe I don't know why. Maybe it's pushed by this thing. This Raven sound I think is a bit loud. I'm gonna make it definitely lower, and yeah, I think it's okay.